friends.
Melissa and Theuk here. We are homeschooling due to the pandemic, and we decided that each week we would choose a country and something to bake or cook from that country. This week we chose
Scotland.
And we decided to make Scottish shortbread. Now, Scottish shortbread, I tried to figure out where it originated from or what time period. I found out either it's from the 12th century or from the time of Mary Queen of Scots. So it's a very classic thing to make. You can serve it with jam or by itself, or as Theuk put frosting on his. So delicious either way or on its own. They are buttery, they are flaky, or kind of crumbly, I should say. Really good. Really only 3 ingredients. You got butter, sugar, and flour, although I did add vanilla extract to mine. So anyway, Theuk is now going to tell you some fun facts about Scotland.
Here's some funny facts about Scotland. Scotland is home to the tallest waterfall in Britain, named Escalaluan. The official animal of Scotland is the unicorn, which is my favorite animal. The Scotland has approximately 790 islands. Scotland is home to the oldest tree in Europe. Edinburgh was the first city in the world to have its own fire brigade, which is like firefighting.